Priya Rohira, welcome you all once again in my next lecture that is based on dictionary and Python. So first of all, we will have a look on the definition. A Python dictionary is a mutable, unordered collection of data elements in key and value pair which is enclosed in curly braces. Here I have mentioned few terms. First of all, mutable, and then I had used unordered. यू नो द टर्म म्यूटेबल, हमने एक लिस्ट के केस में भी म्यूटेबल और इम्यूटेबल का कंसेप्ट देखा था. सो यू नो म्यूटेबल in which you can add a new element or you can delete the previous element or you can update on the same memory location. And unordered collection, because here the data elements are in a key and value pair. When you are going to print it, it doesn't mean that कि वो हमेशा जिस ऑर्डर में आप ले रहे हो उसी ऑर्डर में आपको ये प्रिंट करे. यहाँ पे ऐसे लिस्ट की तरह ऐसा नहीं है कि फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 0th पोजीशन पे है, देन नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज एन अनऑर्डर्ड. ओके, so I think both the terms that I had specially used in terms of dictionary, it's quite clear to you. Now I will explain you few features of Python dictionary. First feature, key value pair enclosed in curly braces. जैसे लिस्ट बनाने के लिए हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स यूज करते हैं, ऐसे डिक्शनरी के लिए यू विल यूज कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स. की मस्ट बी इम्यूटेबल लाइक स्ट्रिंग, इंट और टपल. जब भी आप की बनाएंगे वो इम्यूटेबल होनी चाहिए, वो म्यूटेबल नहीं होनी चाहिए. जैसे लिस्ट म्यूटेबल हो गई, वो आप नहीं ले सकते. की मस्ट बी यूनिक. जितनी भी वैल्यूज ले रहे हैं उनकी जो भी कीज हैं वो यूनिक होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स आप डुप्लीकेट कीज नहीं ले सकते. Elements are separated with comma. Each key value pair will be separated by comma. आपने एक की वैल्यू लिया, then comma, then next element. Key value is separate with colon sign. Key को वैल्यू से सेपरेट करने के लिए you will use colon sign. Now, my next topic is that how can we create a Python dictionary? There are lots of ways to create a Python dictionary. First of all, I will explain you what is the method. Suppose I am creating a dictionary D1 equal, and as you know the curly brackets you will use. First of all, I am taking key, numeric key, colon sign. Suppose the value is Sunday, comma, next key, colon sign, Monday, next key, next colon, Tuesday, and so on. You can take any number of elements. I took 3. So here you can see that 1 is in a numeric form. It's a key. It's not come in quotes. But value I took as a string. That's why it will come in quotes. Next key 2. Next key 3. And all the values are separated with the colon sign. Here in this dictionary, I had used keys as a numeric form. In next D2 dictionary, suppose I am creating another dictionary. And here I had used January 1, comma, Feb, colon, 2, March, colon, 3. Now in this case I took keys as a string. Okay, here I took keys as a number, here I took keys as a string, and the values are in numeric form. So whenever you are taking keys or values, अगर वो numeric है वो quotes में नहीं आएंगी. अगर वो string है then only it will come in quotes. As you know that string are immutable, numeric values are immutable. Now third dictionary I am taking here, I am taking the key and values both are in string form. Feb 2nd, and so on. You can take any number of elements. I took only 2. You can take key and value both string, both numeric, one string. It's your choice. As I told you, you can take tuple also as a key. Suppose how can we use tuple? Tuple 1, 2, colon, I had used dance, comma, then next tuple I had took 3, 4, colon sign, and the value is music. So here you can see that in key I had used tuple and it is also What is the answer? It is also immutable. And dance as a string format. वैल्यू में आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, चाहे म्यूटेबल चाहे इम्यूटेबल, बट कीज हमेशा इम्यूटेबल ही होनी चाहिए. So here I have given you some sort of examples that how can we create a dictionary. Now my next topic is how to access dictionary element. अगर मुझे डिक्शनरी का कोई भी एलिमेंट एक्सेस करना है, what is the method? To access the dictionary element, I will use the key of that dictionary. जो भी वैल्यू मुझे चाहिए, मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि उसकी की क्या है. अब करना कैसे है, जस्ट हैव अ लुक. Suppose I want to access Monday. So what is the key of Monday? That is 2. And what is the name of the dictionary? D1. So here I have written a print statement. D1 is my dictionary name. In the square brackets, you will mention the key. So whenever you are going to print it, जब आप इसका output देखेंगे, you will see the output as Monday. So simply you need to specify the key. अगर आप second D2 dictionary में you want to access 3, what is the key? March. So what will you do? Print D2 March. Make sure ये string type का था, इसलिए मुझे यहाँ पे quotes में लिखना जरूरी है. ये न्यूमेरिक था, इसलिए मैंने इसको कोट्स में नहीं लिखा. सो मार्च पे कौन सी वैल्यू है? दैट इज 3. नाउ सपोज व्हाट हैपेंस इफ आई एम गिविंग दैट की दैट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द डिक्शनरी. सपोज इस केस में मैं यहाँ पे डाल देती हूँ 5. 5 इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन इट विल सेंड यू द की एरर कि दैट इज 5 इज नॉट इन योर डिक्शनरी एंड यू वांट टू गेट 5. फाइन. So your key must be present in the dictionary. Here one more method that I can use, that is get function. ये सब function हम आगे भी पढ़ेंगे. How can we use, how can we access the dictionary element using the get function? So for that you will use, suppose I had written print. What is my dictionary name? D1. What is the function I want to use? Get. And here simply you will specify the key. So on place of 2 there is Monday, output will be Monday. But what happened if I am giving a key that is not present? अभी मैंने इसमें कहा था कि इसमें की एरर आएगी, बट अगर आप get फंक्शन को यूज करते हैं और कोई की डालते हैं जो प्रेजेंट नहीं है, so in such situation your answer will be none on the screen except of error. So there are two methods. Either you will use the square brackets to access the dictionary element, or you can use the get function. Now my next topic is how to add or update a dictionary element. First of all हम बात करते हैं add करने की. Suppose यहाँ पे 1 2 3 elements are there. मुझे एक नया element add करना है. So what is the name of my dictionary? D1. In the square bracket you will mention the key. मैंने यहाँ पे mention किया 4 and here equal sign you will mention the value. I had mentioned. So whenever you are going to print D1, जब आप D1 को print करेंगे, so you can see the 1 Sunday, 2 Monday, 3 Tuesday and 4 Wednesday. Okay, so it's a simple way. Just specify the key in the square bracket and give the value. The new element will be added in the dictionary. Now, if I want to update an element, then simply you have to be specify the key. मुझे कौन सा element update करना है? Suppose मुझे की 3 पे ट्यूसडे है, मुझे कुछ और डे लेकर आना है. सो सिंपली यू हैव विल मेंशन हियर 3 इक्वल. नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ सपोज आई वांट सैटरडे, यू नीड टू डू नथिंग. सिर्फ आपको की मेंशन करना है और उसकी न्यू वैल्यू मेंशन करनी है. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर असाइनिंग एनी वैल्यू, इट विल चेक द की. इफ की इज प्रेजेंट, it will update the element. If key is not present, it will add a new element. So depends whether key is present, whether key is not present. So students, today I had covered few topics of dictionary. I hope that all the points are quite clear to you. So if you are having any doubts, any confusion, you can mention your doubts in my comment section. Thank you students once again.